Guys, do you want to transform your this type of boring video into this formation? Wow, it's become really cool just because of camera tracking his face and move according to his face movement. This editing is only applicable on mobile. Now click on new project, select your boring video and start this editing. And now we have to go on a camera tracking option and click on camera tracking. So now we have to select any one option from these three options according to our need. I am selecting face tracking. Now after some loading, we need to adjust canvas of our video to look perfect. And there you go, a new and moderate type of video is created. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button